Alright guys, so today I'm back working on the Supra. So the big single turbo that I bought, it's really big, so we gotta do some major cuts to make it fit. So right now I'm gonna start cutting the chassis. I gotta notch a big piece of the chassis out just to make sure that the dump pipe will fit. And it's a little bit close to the tire, so I'm hoping it's not gonna cause a problem in the future. And I don't want it to be sticking out of the bumper way too much, so I gotta try to figure out that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so just finished cutting the piece out from the chassis over there. Now I have to trim some stuff all the way up in the corner over there. I gotta trim some more pieces, the little pieces out. Right there, I gotta trim some more pieces. We're gonna end up cutting it straight up here off and cut this piece out too. So yeah, stay tuned. Big turbo project turned into hacking the car up, bro. This morning to mock up the turbo, and I kind of ran out of gas. I ran out of gas in my welder, so I couldn't do any welding. So I was trying to get a bottle of gas. Turned out we had another welder in the back of the shop that was full with gas, and nobody knew about it. Everybody thought that that bottle was empty, so I got lucky on that, and then I completely forgot about filming and I started mocking the turbo up. So this is what the turbo looks like right now. Take a peek. Right now I only have the back housing on there. You can see the ginormous back housing just sitting there. So that is what it looks like from top. As you can see, I weld a bar across here and I weld one up here. And this thing is sturdy, it's not going, it's literally not going anywhere. And I already tested it can support the weight of the front of the turbo too. So yeah, so we're getting there. Slowly but surely we're getting there. So I'm hoping by maybe Wednesday, Thursday I can get it all done. I'll probably get it running maybe late next week or the other week. I'm not sure about that, but I would like to get it running again about then. Because there's still a lot of work to be done. A lot of wiring is going to have to be redone, because where the turbo is sitting, a lot of the wiring I had to pull out. So, alright guys, good night. So we're finally back working on this car. The new Mishimoto intercooler came in because the other one was way too small. It was only 2.5 inches. This one here is, I ordered a 4-inch, but they sent me a 4.5 inch, so I'm not complaining on this one. I'll take it anytime. So I'm gonna show you guys this one. It's silver instead of the flat black. Let me open up this plastic. So that's what this one looks like. This one is 4 inches thick, 4.5 inches thick. It fucking me. It weighs about 2 tons. Yeah. So stay tuned. Hopefully get that mounted tonight with the radiator, so this car will be done by the weekend. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna try to mount the intercooler, so I know exactly where I'm gonna try to set it up. I know this bar looks like crap. So what I'm gonna do right now is tape these pins up so none of them get bent or bashed with a piece of cardboard. Because working with them, and you never know if I drop something or you never know what could happen, or it fell over. I don't bend any of them. Just an extra safety. Because for the price of these things, let's see. So, if anybody's gonna mount their intercooler, I highly recommend doing something like this to protect those. Because you want all the air to flow through, you want no restriction at all. So. Alright guys, so I got the intercooler mounted. As you can see, the intercooler is all mounted up there. And I just found this piece of pipe, this pipe laying around in the shop, and it had the V-band clip already welded on it with the perfect angle. So I was happy I don't have to spend like, what is that, like 50 bucks for probably one of those clamps. So thumbs up to that. So who clamp is there, thank you, sponsorship. But it looks good. These are the brackets that I made. Show you. Let me see if you can see. I just welded one of these L brackets type pipe. I don't know what you call this exactly. And I weld a piece over there. Same thing I did with the other side, but I'm gonna build another piece to hold the bottom, because right now it's a little bit shaky. It's not that bad, but I'm gonna end up building it. I build 2 brackets on the bottom to hold the bottom up, because the intercooler weighs a ton, and yeah, I don't really want to be buying another one in the next 6 months or so. So that's basically all of it for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up and get out of here. It's like 12 o'clock in the night right now, and I gotta go to work in the morning. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you guys got any tips or anything you want to see be done to the car, questions, whatever. Just leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to get back to you. So peace out.